Hi guys, in this video I want to show you how to connect to the university VPN, that is the Philipps-Universität Marburg VPN, from your Windows computer, for those of you that have a Windows computer or a Windows laptop. So the first thing you have to do, or you want to do, is to open up your web browser. I will be using the Google Chrome web browser here. Once your browser is open, you type in vpn.uni.marburg.de, so VPN. Then once you've typed in that, you click enter. I'll leave this in the description so you can easily copy it and paste it on the Chrome website once you're doing it yourself, or any other web browser you decide to use. So once you type that in, you click enter. Then you land on this page. Once you're here, you put in your username and your password. But before clicking login, you have to make sure the group is selected as students and not staff, since you won't be able to use a student's detail for that. Once you have students selected, make sure username and password is correct. Then you click login. Then you click continue. Then you'll be brought to this page. Once you're here, the next thing you have to do is just to click start any network, and then you have to click download for Windows. So once it's done downloading, here at the bottom left corner, click on it to install the any network service on your computer. Then you click on next. You accept the license agreement. Click on next and install. And once this is done installing, you click on finish. Then you have to connect now from your computer now to the servers. So you can do this in two ways. You can either go to the search bar and type in any connect. You can see this is it here. So you can click on it like this, and it pops up at the bottom right corner of the page. So then you can click connect, put in your username and your password, and then click OK. Or you can go here at the notification tray here, and then you click on it here, because once you install it, you would have it here also on your computer. So once you click on it here, it's easier and it's faster. Then you click on connect. Then make sure the group is selected as student, and then you put your username here and also input your password. And then click OK. And then you click accept. And now you have direct access connection to the Marburg University servers. So then you can go to a new tab now and type in qis.marburg-uni-marburg.de, and then you click enter. And once you do that, you will notice that you can now log into your QoS onto the QoS platform of the Philipps-Universität Marburg, and then you can also check your results and register for courses and deregister as well for any course you want, and also check your transcript as well. And I want to show you a little bonus tip or additional helpful information. So if I should go here now and disconnect from the any connect network like this, once I'm disconnected, if I should go to maybe some particular sites and I want to gain access to some articles and download them or read them for a particular project or assignment I want to do, you would notice that sometimes you are told to pay some amount of money for these PDFs. But once you are connected to the school site or the school servers, sorry, then you can easily access these articles for free, because the school, I think they have an agreement with most of these sites and they know how they sell it themselves. So if I should refresh this page now, you can see I need to buy this article. But if I come to the any connect network and I click on it and I connect, okay, and accept. Once you're connected, if you should refresh this page, you'd see that it's no more showing or no more telling you to buy the article. You can easily download this article and use for your project or assignments. So if I click on download, you can see it's downloading. and it's done. So if I click on the article, you can see I have full access to the article to use for whatever project or purpose I would want to. Thank you very much for watching the video. If this video was helpful, please leave a like, also subscribe and turn on the notification so you get prompted for any more or additional helpful videos to help you to navigate through your daily or your life as a student or your general life. Yeah. Thank you and thanks for watching.